Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add categories on Quicken. This is very easy thing to do. So first of all, you have to just go to their official website here, that is Quicken, and select Quicken Simplify. To use this feature, you need to have Quicken Simplify subscription, which is around $3 per month, right? And to add it, it's very easy thing to do. First of all, you have to open Quicken, so you just need to log in and just download the software. It is a cloud based, so you can just access it through their website. Now go to the navigate to the categories. In the menu bar at the top of the screen, click on tools or edit, depending upon your version, that it's a category list or categories and tags. Add a new category. Once you are into the category list or categories and tags window, look for an option to add a new category. This is typically represented by a button labeled new or similar option. Enter categories detail, click on new button and a dialog box should appear where you can enter the details for your new category. This includes the category name, type, which is income or expense, and any subcategories you may want to create. Save the category. After entering the necessary information, click OK or Save to create the new category. It should now appear in your list of categories within Quicken. Optional edit or delete categories. If you need to make changes of category to or delete it, you can just do it from the category list or categories and tags window, which is very simple to do it. Now assign transaction to categories. Once you have added your categories, you can assign transaction to them. When entering a new transaction or editing an existing one, look for the category field and select the appropriate category from the drop-down menu. So these are the steps which you need to follow to create our categories in Quicken. I hope you found this video very helpful. Subscribe.